Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us today, this is Biamuta Igbo, where we will be learning how to speak, write, and read Igbo language. The last class, someone asked a question. If Igbo alphabet stopped at 18 alphabets. Remember, I said we divided into two. So we did the first 18, and later that we are going to do the second 18. I did it that way so that we will catch up, because if we join it together and do the whole 36, it might be difficult for us to learn it. So that's why I divided it into two. So the first part was A to Le, which we have already did that in our first class. So today we are going to start from Me and stop to Z. So the answer to that question is that Igbo alphabet is 36 in number. We only divided it so that the learners can easily catch up. I hope that is well understood. So today we are starting from the second half of the Igbo alphabet. The first one here is letter Me. Me is similar to letter M of English alphabet, but in Igbo we pronounce it as Me. The next one is letter Ne. Ne. Your front tongue should be touching the upper part of your mouth. Ne. Ne is same as letter N of English alphabet, but in Igbo we call it Ne. The next one is Ngi. 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 Ngi is being derived from the letter Ne, but the difference here is that Ngi, Ngi, the inner part of your tongue should be touching the inner roof of your tongue, of your mouth. Ngi, Ngi. The only difference is that Ngi has a dot. It's a letter N with a dot on top of it. Ngi. The next one is Nwi. Nwi. I think this one is easy to pronounce. Nwi. Nwi is letter N of English alphabet and letter W joined together. In Igbo we pronounce it as Nwi. In the coming classes, all these alphabets will still give you the examples of words you can use it to pronounce. The next one is Nyi. Nyi. Nyi is letter N and letter Y joined together. It's a double consonant. We call it Nyi. The next one is letter O. O. O is same as letter O of English alphabet. They even sound alike. O, O. The next one is letter O. O is being derived from letter O, but the difference here is that it has a dot under. Under it there is a dot. That is where you will differentiate between O and O. The next one is P. P. P is similar to letter P of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is P. Next one is letter Re. Re. Re is same as letter R of English alphabet. The only difference is the pronunciation. In Igbo it is Re. In English it is R. Next one is letter C. C. C is same as letter S of English alphabet. If you notice something, you see that Igbo alphabet is more of the way it sounds. The way it sounds. C. Next one is letter She. She. She is letter S and letter H of English alphabet together. But in Igbo, it is one letter, double consonant. We pronounce it as She. The next one is letter T. 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 T is same as letter T of English alphabet, but in Igbo, T. Next one is letter U. U. U is same as letter U of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is U. Next one is letter O. O. O is derived from letter U. The only difference is the dot under O. O has a dot under, while U is without any dot. O. The next one is V. V. V is same as letter V of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is V. In the coming classes, we will be writing out the sounds of each alphabet. V, She, all these things, we'll write it out so that you will capture it very well and know the difference in the sounds, the difference in the sounds. The next one is letter Where. Where is same as letter W of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is Where. The next one is letter Ye. Ye. Ye is same as letter Y of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is Ye. While the final one is Z. Z. Z is same as letter Z of English alphabet, but in Igbo it is Z. So now let's run it down. Remember, it is the second half of alphabet. We divided it into two, while the first part was the first 18, which was A to Le. We did it at the last class, but today we are doing from Me to Z. So we are running it down now from Me to Z. So as we are calling it out before, you should have been jotting them down, so that as we are running it down, we'll be looking at it and be meeting up with the sounds. So we are starting from letter Me, Ni, Ni, Nwi, Nyi, O, O, P, Re, Si, Shi, Ti, U, O, V, We, Ye, Z. That is the last one. So I think that is all for today. So if you go to where you jot down the other one, you add this one also to make it 36. Always follow with the sound so that you will not be making mistakes. When reciting it, if you are confused, you come back to the video and get the sound and go back again. Once you are done learning this Igbo alphabet, it will help you. That is why I want to take time and teach this Igbo alphabet very well. We are going to really take time on it so that we will learn it very well. If you learn this alphabet and know the sounds very well, when speaking Igbo, it will be very simple. One, we hardly know that you are not an Igbo. Why? Because there are some letters. For example, there are some words like aqua. Aqua in Igbo is cry. But we have aqua, we have aqua, we have aqua, we have aqua. These four words is same spelling, but different pronunciations. So that is the advantage of learning these alphabets, because with the sounds it will help you to know when to use a particular sound, and when you're making a mistake, you will easily know. That is if you master these alphabets. So thank you for your time, and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we post video, you will get you will be alerted. So remember, I promise I will be giving you the best. What I'm teaching you is the fundamental Igbo. I'm starting from the scratch. So do well to be following this class, and believe me, you will gain a lot. Thank you.